So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. Now you're going to find SysMain. You're going to scroll down till you find SysMain. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. And now you're going to set the startup type to disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the server status stopped. And then click on OK. Now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on advanced options. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on delivery optimization. Now once this comes up, it's going to be saying allow downloads from other PCs. You're going to turn this off. Make sure that you turn this off. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on network and internet. Now once this comes up, it's going to be saying either Wi-Fi or Ethernet for you. No matter which one it says, you're going to click on it. And now you're going to scroll down. It's going to be saying metered connection. You're going to turn this on. Make sure that you turn on metered connection. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.